I'm removing the wheel off a 21 MT09 SP. First thing I like to do is remove this little wheel speed sensor. You probably don't have to, but I just don't want to get caught up in anything and break it. It's a 4mm Allen. Pull that aside somewhere safe. We're gonna break the rear axle nut, 32mm. Grab the axle block, spacer, nut. Knock the axle through. I'm gonna move the wheel forward. Take the chain off. And droop it along the side. Now you're gonna drop the wheel down. Careful, the spacers might fall out. Get the brake. There goes one of the spacers. Get the brake caliper out of the way. Pull the wheel back. Grab your spacer that probably fell off. You're gonna have to clean that up. Set aside. Grab your other spacer. Right out the side. That's it. Wheels off. Ready for a tire change.